Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Ambur style mutton biryani. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to make it. Take small 3 pieces of cinnamon, 3 cardamom and 4 pieces of clove, 15 pieces of garlic and small piece of ginger. Now let's grind them to a fine smooth paste. You can use a mixer grinder, but today I am going to hand ground the paste. Also take 3 green chilies, remove the seeds. Let's grind them along with ginger and garlic paste. After grinding, you can see that the paste has come out very well without any lumps. This will enhance the taste of biryani. For tempering, let's take bay leaf, mace, star anise and green chili. Take 3 big onions thinly sliced. Take a pan, add 4 tablespoons ghee and 2 tablespoons oil. Let's add the spices for tempering. Now let's add handful of pudina leaves and hand ground masala paste. Fry the masala paste well until the raw smell is gone. Next we are going to add the onions. Until the onion turns brown, fry them well. Next we are going to add 3 ripened big tomatoes. We are not going to grind the tomatoes, just chop it and add it. Now let's add turmeric powder, salt and 2 tablespoons butter. Also add 2 teaspoons chili powder and garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Now let's take half kg washed mutton. Add it to the mixture we have prepared. Fry the mutton well along with the mixture. When the mutton stock comes out, you can add 750 ml of water and keep it in a medium flame and close it with the lid. No need to keep whistle. After 10 minutes, the mutton has cooked 75%. Now let's add 500 grams of rice, which I have soaked it for half an hour. After adding the rice, give it a stir and check the seasoning. After 10 minutes of keeping dum, you can see that our Ambur style mutton biryani is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.